the usual Kordz HDMI range. The main thing that's new this year with Kordz HDMI is our expansion to the passive cables of HDMI, both 4K and 8K. Notably the 8K, we've gone up to 7 meters and 9 meters in passive cable, so we don't need to use any active technology in that. Passive cable, 9 meter length, no active electronics, still works great. And that's the same in the 4K Pro 3 range, so PRS4 for 8K, Pro 3 for 4K. Moving over to networking, we have some big advancements and innovations in our unterminated bulk cabling for Cat6 and Cat6A. We're using the similar technology to our previously seen patch leads. 28 gauge conductors, super thin profile, full speed and bandwidth capable, but we've moved that technology into an unterminated bulk cable, so you can site terminate, and you are literally saving half the space compared to your standard Cat6 with your SlimCat cable. So in the SlimCat range and family, you have Cat6A shielded FUTP compared 23 gauge compared with your 28 gauge, and then Cat6 unshielded UUTP 28 gauge. We provide the connectors, 2-piece connector, crimp connector for each option. We provide keystone for each option, and we provide a boot or strainer leaf for each option as well for those RJ45 connections. You can see the whole family arranged up there in the signage. So your unterminated cable, unshielded, shielded, Cat6, Cat6A, the connectors, and keystones. The special thing about the connectors for the SlimCat is we have integrated our nylon latch system that has been found on our patch leads previously, that is unbreakable, snap proof, integrated into the site terminated RJ45, which also comes with a locking pin to stop people from pulling out your patches. So you can save a lot of space with that product. You have no compromises in performance. You don't compromise in the speed, in the bandwidth, in your power delivery. You still get PoE++ at 100 watts. The only place that it doesn't match the standard Cat6 is the distance you can run your cable. So with the SlimCat, you only run your cable up to 50 meters. We can only guarantee it up to 50 meters. That's where we've tested it at. With your standard Cat6 and Cat6A, you'll only be able to run your cables up to 100 meters. So half the size, half the distance, but you save a lot of space. It's much tidier terminating at a rack, and there's a lot of applications that this can be used in retrofitting, new builds, saving space in wall space, or server racks and stuff like that. That's all new from Kordz. Each option for SlimCat is available in 305 meter drums, and you can buy the connectors and strainer leaf in boxes of 100 and keystones in boxes of 12. Moving away from Kordz, we also distribute multiple brands. Notably is Cyber and M Solutions. They are our new additions. Cyber has a lot of networking and network analyzers, a few different kits. They have a network analyzer, a couple different options with different features, both for copper and fiber. They have cable tracers and fault detectors and tone generators and tracers. And then also M Solutions is a brand that sells test equipment and other electronics for the AV space. You're able to, with their MS Test Pro, test HT-Base-T link integrity, as well as HDMI cables, USB cables, and DC resistance on Cat cables. So it's a pretty comprehensive range. Over here, you can see couple of the cyber kits that we offer. So Ali Land Expert, Ali 80, and then the Pinger Pro, which have tracing capabilities, and then this is your full featured network analyzer. And that's pretty much all that's new from Kordz.